Stop wasting time searching for games. Here is how to set up a profile pin on Disney Plus in 3 easy steps. I'm Roberto for System Sleek Guides. With the addition of more mature content, a profile pin is the master key to keeping your account private and your kids safe. Let's dive in. First, launch the Disney Plus app on your TV and navigate to the sidebar menu on the left. Scroll to the top and select your profile icon to open the profile selection screen. Now select Edit Profiles and choose the specific profile you want to lock, usually the primary adult profile. Scroll down to the Parental Controls section and select Profile PIN. This is where the security magic happens. For security, you'll be prompted to enter your account password. If the TV keyboard is slow, you can use the mobile app. It syncs instantly. Once verified, check the box to limit access and enter your chosen 4-digit numerical code. Avoid easy sequences like 1111. Hit Save or Done. You'll see a confirmation message and your profile is now officially locked. You'll notice a small padlock icon next to your profile name signaling that your watch history is now protected. Simple, secure, and smart. For more high-value tech tutorials, subscribe to System Sleek Guides. I'm Roberto. Thanks for watching.